In this video, I will show you step by step how we can convert friends to followers on our Facebook profile. So if we head over to Facebook, click on menu in the bottom right hand corner and then head to our profile. On this account, I have got currently one friend. So if I want to change this one friend to a follower, what I need to do is simply click on the three dots right next to edit profile. You then want to go down and then select turn on professional mode. Once we click on this, click on turn on, and then you now need to go through the professional mode setup process, go through, click on next, choose all of the settings that you want, click on confirm. And then once we have done this, if we go ahead, select next, click on next again, and then click on go to professional dashboard, this will now be a professional profile. So what I need to do now is just simply refresh my profile. If I go back onto Facebook, click on menu, click on my profile right here. As you can see, this is now a professional account and that one friend is now a follower. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can convert friends to followers on Facebook. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.